Kia ora. My name's Catherine and I'm going to walk you through what to expect on your graduation day. Once you arrive at the Michael Fowler Centre, there are 2 things that you need to remember. 1, make sure that you come ready in your academic dress. 2, make sure that you have your marshalling number. This would have been sent to you in your emails. Now, once you're down here on the ground floor, you can go and use the wharepaku, or you can give your friends and family your bags. And then, once you're ready, you can just wait here and relax until you're called up to the marshalling area. Once you've been called up to the marshalling area, you'll come here to the Whānau foyer, and it's really important that you have your marshalling number ready. Once you're here, you'll need to find the pole that has your number on it, and then you'll line up in numerical order with everyone else. Then you'll be given a sticker and a prospectus, and you'll be told when it's time for you to head into the auditorium. Simply follow the person in front of you, as it can be quite dark in there. Make sure that you're not wearing your hat and that you don't leave any gaps in there when you sit down. And now it's time for you to sit down and enjoy the proceedings. So, when it's time for you to head on stage, someone will give you a tap on the shoulder, or you'll see the grads next to you start moving, and it's time to head out of the row onto the right-hand side of the auditorium, where someone will check your outfit to make sure everything's looking good. So, there'll be one final check, and then it will be your moment to walk out on stage. You'll walk across the red carpet, shake hands with the Chancellor, collect your certificate, and then head down the stairs at the far end to have your photo taken. Once you've had your photo taken, return to your seat and enjoy the rest of the ceremony. So that's it. And on behalf of everyone here at Te Herenga Waka, Victoria University of Wellington, we hope you enjoy your graduation day. Congratulations again on gaining your degree with us.